What's going on, Pyros? This is Jerome, the Pyro 22. It's kind of late in the season. I normally would have had my video up, but I've been busy putting up a pool and getting ready for the 4th, but let's get into it. First, I have Rapid Fire, which are artillery candles made by Cutting Edge. I have One Cake, Prime Target, made by Fisherman's Fireworks. I have Passenger Princess, made by World Class, which I got all 200 grams this year because the 500 grams kind of went up in price, and a lot of these 200 gram cakes, they put just as good a show on as a 500 gram cake. Over here, I have Three of the Dope by Winda. I have the King assortment, which has 200 grams, preloaded tubes, fountains, hybrids, which would be like a fountain slash crossover between a fountain and sky cake. Over here I have Coconut Bomb. I have 4 ski balls. I have Coiled by Cutting Edge Fireworks. I have 3 of the Ultimate Warrior. Right here I have Pig and Whistle. I have Dragon Duel, One Bad Baby. Down below, I have Lethal Agent, which those are preloads. And then I have another set of preloads by Raccoon Fireworks. I have 2 Mine Cakes, a Mushroom Fountain, Parachute, several bottle rockets, a brick of firecrackers, tons of Roman candles, some more fountains, a Yankee Doodle fountain, a Cuckoo fountain, Crazy Monkey, and then I got two packs of the Clustering Bees / Cuckoo fountains. And then over here, I have One Bad Baby. I have Beautiful and Charming, King Kong, Riding Dirty, Professor Pyro, Blue, Rainfire, Nishiki Camaro shells. I have the Pound Rockets. And then I have 2 small assortments, which this assortment, I shopped that assortment last night. And I'll tell you, for the price, I picked it up for like 15 bucks. That has, I mean, for what it's worth, I mean, it's pretty little show. I mean, honestly, if you're on a budget, I would recommend that. But all right, Pyros, I'm gonna go make another swipe across to let you see it again. All right, Pyros, happy 4th. Peace out.